Hello friends, I am Pramod. I hope you are healthy and fine. So today we will discuss about the Laplace transform and the inverse Laplace transform. Okay. So in this lecture you will study the Laplace transform applications and the various types of problems. Okay. So what do you mean by Laplace transform? So a Laplace transform will convert a function in some domain into the another domain. Means when I will convert a real variable into the complex variable. Okay. मतलब in some domain into a function to the another domain, but without the changing of the particular function f of t, because you will change from one signal to another signal, but the particular function it really does not change. So this is the concept. A Laplace transform will convert a function, the function will be not change, a function in some domain into a function to the another domain. So without the changing of the value of the function, the value of the function will be never changes. Okay, it will be never change. And the what is the various types of engineering applications of the Laplace transform? So the various types of applications are there. One is system modeling, analysis of electrical circuit, analysis of electronic circuit, digital signal processing, and nuclear physics. So in case of system modeling, you will simplify to various types of calculations, so where the large number of different equations are used. And the analysis of electrical circuit is like the LCR circuit. You will analysis the linear time invariant system in case of LCR circuit. Okay, and in case of analysis of electronic circuit, here also to solve the various type of difference equation to analysis the electronic circuit. And in case of DSP, digital signal processing, so here the various types of signals it will change from analog to digital and digital to analog. So in this way, so here you will use the various types of transformation concepts. And in case of nuclear physics, to form the radioactive decay, you will use the concept of the Laplace transform. Okay, so now you will define the definitions of the Laplace transform and their formulas. So based upon the formulas, you will solve the various types of problems. Now, so whenever the function f of t is given and t is greater than 0, then the Laplace transform f of t equals to e raised to minus st f of t into dt, integration of 0 to infinite equals to f of s. मतलब f of t will be given, so based upon the f of t will be what? T, f of t will be t 1 upon t, ki f of t will be something, it will be given, so that you will put and that you will integrate and that is your f of s. Okay, so now you will see the various types of formulas based upon the 1 e raised to at, sin of at, cos of at, cos of hat, sin of hat. So what is the Laplace transform of all these functions? Okay, so Laplace transform of 1 equals to 1 upon s, Laplace transform of e raised to at equal to 1 upon s minus a, and s greater than a should be positive, s greater than a होना चाहिए, s हमारा बड़ा होना चाहिए. Okay, तो e raised to minus 80 e raised to 80 मतलब s minus a, e raised to minus 80 मतलब s plus a होगा. Okay, because a is positive, तो here s minus a आया. Suppose a will be negative, s plus a आ जाएगा इधर. Okay, तो similarly what is the Laplace transform of sin of 80? a upon a square plus a square, s is greater than 0. Cos of 80 का s upon a square plus a square, s is greater than 0. Laplace transform sin of hyperbolic, a upon a square minus a square. And Laplace transform cos of hat, s upon a square minus a square. So here mod of s is greater than mod of a. So similarly what is the Laplace transform of t raised to n? T raised to 2, t raised to 1 by 2, t raised to 3 by 2, t raised to 4. Then in this case, what is the Laplace transform of t raised to n? So if n is greater than minus 1, then gamma of n plus 1 upon s raised to n plus 1. So generally, in case of fraction, you can use this formula. It will be better. Okay. And if n is a positive integer, n may be 2, 3, 4, then you can use this formula, n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. मतलब Laplace transform t raised to 4. So t raised to 4 मतलब Laplace transform t raised to 4. So this is 4 factorial upon s raised to 4, that is 4 plus 1 आ जाएगा इधर. Okay, तो based upon the value of n, so here n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. So in this case you will solve the various types of problems. Okay, so based upon the formula e raised to at, sin at, cos at, sin h at, and cos h at. So based upon the formula you will solve the various types of problems now. Okay, now we will find the Laplace transform of 5t minus 7 e raised to minus 60 plus t raised to 5 by 2. So this is L of 5t minus 7 into e raised to minus 6t plus t raised to 5 by 2 equals to L. 5 is constant, you take outside. 5 is constant, you take outside. So this is 5 into L of t minus 7 into L of e raised to minus 60 plus L of t raised to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So this is 5 L t raised to n. मतलब 1 upon s raised to n plus 1. So 1 plus 1 it is 2. I am writing directly. Okay. So this is 2. Minus 7 into e raised to minus 60. So this is 1 upon s minus of minus either minus 6 है ना. So this is s plus 6 plus Laplace transform of t raised to, this is fraction है. So this is gamma of n plus 1. तो 5 by 2 plus 1 upon s raised to 5 by 2 plus 1. इधर हमारा फॉर्मूला है. तो गामा ऑफ n plus 1 इक्वल n फैक्टोरियल और गामा ऑफ n plus 1 इक्वल टू n into n minus 1 n minus 2 gamma of n minus 2 up to factorial. Okay. So this is 5 by s square minus 7 by s plus 6 plus gamma of 5 by 2 plus 1 gamma of n plus 1. This is 5 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 and gamma of 1 by 2 upon s raised to 7 by 2. Okay. So gamma of 1 by 2. So gamma of 1 by 2 equals to root pi. So this is 5 by s square minus 7 by s plus 6 and this is what? 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 15 by 8. This is root pi upon s raised to 7 raised to 1 by 2. This is 5 by s square minus 7 by s plus 6 plus 15 by 8 and this is s raised to 7 and root of 1 by 2 means what? This is root, because s raised to 7 by 2 I had converted 1 by 2 matlab root will be there, the whole root it will come. So this is root of pi upon s raised to 7 because 1 by 2 is there. So this is the root. So in this way you will solve the various types of problems using the formula and to find the Laplace transform. So now you will solve the another problems. Find the Laplace transform of 5 of sine of 2t plus 3. Okay. So this is the solution. Laplace transform of 5 of sine of 2t plus 3. Okay. So 5 is constant, take outside. 5 into Laplace transform of sine of 2t plus 3. Okay. 5 Laplace transform of sine of a plus b. So sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Okay. So this is the formula of sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So now, so this is 5 total bracket Laplace transform of. तो काम करो, तो whenever there is constant is there, cos of 3d is constant, sin of 3d is constant, so the constant you take outside. So this is cos of 3 Laplace transform of sin of 2t plus this is sin of 3 Laplace transform of cos of 2t. So this is 5 is already outside, cos 3 it is constant, the Laplace transform of sin of 2t. So a upon a square plus a square. This is sin of 3, Laplace transform of cos of 80, s upon a square plus a square. Okay. तो इधर हमारा क्या कॉमन आएगा देखो, तो a square plus 4 and a square plus 4 it will be common. So this is 5 upon a square plus 4. So this is 2 cos 3 plus s into sin 3. Okay. So in this way, whenever the particular formula, whenever the particular function will be given, So based upon the particular function, you will apply the formulas and the constant you will take outside, then you will find the solution. Okay. So in this way, you will solve the various types of problem based on the Laplace transform, or you will solve another problem. Okay. So now we will solve the problems, that is the next problem. Obtain the Laplace transform of the following function f of t equals to t, and t is lies between 0 to 4 and t is greater than 4, then f of t equals to 5. Okay. So now you will find the Laplace transform. So L of f of t equals to integral 0 to infinite e raised to minus st f of t into dt. So this is the definition of according to Laplace transform. Okay. So 0 to infinite. So whenever t is lies between 0 to infinite, e raised to minus st f of t. But here the value of f of t is lies between 0 to 4 and 4 to infinite. So this is 0 to 4 and 4 to infinite. Okay. So this is e raised to minus st. Whenever f of t is lies between 0 to 4, it is t into dt, and whenever t is greater than 4 to infinite, it is 5 e raised to minus st, and this is 4 into dt, e raised to minus st 5 into dt. Okay. So now you will find out the integration. तो you will integrate with respect to t. इधर हमारा t है, इधर हमारा t है, मतलब इधर दो फंक्शन है, मतलब you will use the concept of integration of by parts. तो u and v equals to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. It will be continuing. तो dash मतलब derivative and v1 v2 v3 मतलब integration, u double dash v3. Okay. So you will select the value of u in such a way that the derivative will be 0, and v1 v2 v3 these are the integration. Okay. So this is u double dash. Okay. तो देखो हमारा डेरिवेटिव किसका 0 होगा, so that you will select as a first function. So this is u and this is v. बोलो तो first into integration of second e raised to minus st upon minus s minus derivative of first and integration of minus st upon minus s and minus s limit 0 to 4 plus ये हमारा 5 is constant, 5 is constant take outside, integration of minus st upon minus s, this is 4 to infinite. Okay. So now you will put the limit, upper limit is 4 and lower limit is 0. So this is 4 e raised to minus 4s upon minus s, and this is a minus plus plus minus minus e raised to minus 4s upon s square. This is upper limit minus lower limit. So this is 0. So this is 0, 0, and so this is plus minus minus plus plus minus 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 0 1 upon s square. Okay. So this is plus 5 into, so this is e raised to infinite, it is 0 minus e raised to minus 4s upon minus s. Okay. So what is the upper limit? Upper limit e raised to infinity is 0. So 0 upper limit minus e raised to lower limit e raised to minus 4s upon minus s. So this is minus 4 e raised to minus 4s upon s and minus e raised to minus 4s upon s square, and this is plus 1 upon s square minus minus plus plus 5 e raised to minus 4s upon a minus minus plus, this is 5 upon s. Okay. So देखो minus 4 e raised to minus 4s upon s, a plus 5 e raised to minus 4s upon s. So 5 minus 4, it is 1. So this is e raised to minus 4s upon s, and this is minus e raised to minus 4s upon s square plus 1 upon s square, because ये हमारा सेम है ना, e raised to minus 4s upon s, e raised to minus 4s upon s. So 5 minus 4, it is 1. So this is 5 minus 4, it is 1. Okay. So this is e raised to minus 4s upon s minus e raised to minus 4s upon s square plus 1 upon s square. Okay. So in this way you will solve the various types of problem based upon the Laplace transform.